How to change your Duolingo profile picture. It's quite easy process, so let's dive right in. But before we begin, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Alright, so first let's open our application. I have my Duolingo open right here. First thing you want to do is you can see different tabs right here. You can see characters and everything. So what you want to do is go to this profile tab right here, and you will see an option to add a character. So there is no option to upload a photo from your gallery, but if you log in with your Facebook's profile picture will be default. But if you want to create characters, just tap on this plus icon, and here you can choose your body type. You can make it look like whatever you want, and once you do that, you can choose your skin tone. There are a lot of options, and once you make sure that you've selected your skin tone, you can go to your face, change your eye colors and your expressions as well. So there are a lot that you can choose from, so you can just play around with these. Then there comes your hairstyle. You can choose different kinds of hair, and then you can choose your hair color as well. After that, you have sunglasses or normal glasses, and even your face details. If you want to add wrinkles, add jewelries like earrings, nose rings, there are a lot of options here. Then you can add your facial hair and change the facial hair color as well. Then you have hats and your entire clothing color. Then you can change your background color as well and click on done. And once you do that, click on done, and your avatar should be set and your profile. Now whenever anyone visits your profile, this will be your avatar, and on leaderboards as well, this avatar will be shown. So if you just go to your leaderboard, right now I cannot view the leaderboard because I'll have to complete a lesson, but usually there will be your profile picture besides your name. So this will be your new profile picture besides the name once you've created the avatar. And that's how you can change profile pictures on Duolingo. I hope this video was helpful, you guys, and I'll catch you on the next one. Thank you for watching.